Check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony premium cloth seat trim, LT preferred equipment group, tailgate locking, GVWR 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, silver ice metallic, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, rear vision camera, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.